plain water can feel boring and it can hinder your water intake daily. And because you have to stay hydrated, in today's video, we are going to show you how to prepare infused water, because infused water has so many benefits. It keeps you hydrated, it improves your digestion, it is rich in nutrients, among so many other benefits. Today, we are going to use strawberries, oranges, lime, mint, ginger, cucumber, just to spice up your water so that you can enjoy taking in more water to keep you hydrated. If you're new in this channel, we talk about gifting, lifestyle, plugs, and just having fun. Kindly consider hitting the subscribe button and let's start preparing our infused water. Infused water, we are going to use strawberries and mint. Remember that strawberries are good for heart health. They also improve our skin glow. It has so many benefits. So you just cut them so that you can get the best in them, the best flavor in them. Then I put my mint. I've already cleaned this one very well. You just put your mint. You can see. You put the mint leaves. After that, it is, you just put enough to your taste. Look at that color, it's popping. Then you make sure you close it tight. You see? You close it tight, because it will go to the fridge. The longer it stays in the fridge, the more infused the water will be. You can put in the fridge overnight or maybe 10 to 60 minutes, then you just consume it. At times, I also prefer putting it in glass jars that I can just have a one-off, and that's it. So we can add these others here. You can go with this size. You just remove in the fridge and just take a one off and you're done. This at least you can take even 2 times. That is number 1, strawberry mint infused water.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
And it is done just like that. Next time you're hosting your family and friends in your house, make sure you prepare for them infused water, especially the tropical infused water. Look at the way the color is popping. It just looks so nice. You're going to stand out as a very good host. And again, once the water is finished here, you can refill it a second time. Then instead of you throwing away the residue, you can use those residues in your smoothies. There's nothing to waste here. Nothing. You can even use the strawberries in your smoothies, same as the mint, the oranges, and some you can just even eat even after you finish drinking the water there. Now after this, I'm going to put these ones in the fridge overnight so that I can get a strong flavor in the morning, and then it can stay in the fridge even 3 times. I already have my tropical. I already have my strawberry mint ready. You see, it even makes your skin to glow now. And this one is the cucumber orange lime. We all know what cucumber does. It really hydrates our body, our skin, our everything. Now let us taste. It smells good already, and it's not even in the fridge yet. You see, when the color has changed a bit. Oh, this is refreshing. The more it stays in the fridge, the stronger the infused water will be. The flavor will be more stronger. You can really feel it. And even the water is going to change its color. It's not going to be so colorless, if I may say so. You can easily tell the difference between this morning and last evening before I put it in the fridge. I take this first thing in the morning because it is an easy way to detox before I even have my breakfast. You see the color? You can tell some strawberry from far, some lime from far. This is water full of nutrients, vitamins, good for our bodies. With the sun outside of late, this is the kind of a drink you need to take immediately you come from outside. Wow! Taking water is no longer boring. Kindly try this infused water and let me know which is your favorite flavor, or even what you've made here. Which one do you think is your favorite flavor? Remember to hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. Join this wonderful family. And until next video, where we'll be giving you more good insights on gifting, lifestyle, plugs, and just having fun, we say bye.